Chloe, we've got slime.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? We're doing slime today. Chloe? Yes.
Confetti slime.
What type of slime?
Confetti slime.
Confetti slime. Wow.
First, you pour this in, and second, you pour the confetti in.
Confetti.
Second, you mix it, and then you mix it with our hands.
Yeah,
And
we've done all the types of slime now, haven't we?
Yeah.
What have we done?
Lots of slime.
Normal slime.
Glowing dark slime. Hey, you want to see. When you see the glass, now I know what to do. So use this. I can always see the instructions. It means I know what to do.
Pour that in.
Do it all around. Confetti slime now.
You sure you just pour that in next?
Because look, I'm an expert, and look, it's confetti next.
What if I told you about instructions? We don't need no instructions. We just do it ourselves. It's more fun when we don't have instructions. We do it our own way.
Ready, tasty.
Okay. Get it out.
This will take a little. Oh!
Make sure. Hey, don't splash it.
That's on my
Keep it in there. Well, I'll keep it in there. You're doing it. I'm not doing it.
Confetti as you will.
Yeah, look at these. Confetti slime.
So good. You know, it's a lot to say something. Now, mix it.
Mix it.
Oh, it's all turning into
yeah, it's the
something.
easiest slime ever. Keep mixing it. Still running. You can do this. You can do that. You can do under. They'll teach us today.
You think you're done?
No, we're never done. You're going to use your hands now.
You do your hand.
You're the slime princess. You do it.
I'm not a slime princess.
Yes, you are.
Idea.
Yeah. You gotta mix it now.
Side.
I think you mix it.
Not more, yeah. And now I think it's done.
It's still too wet. You gotta mix this.
Good, Daddy, you tested. I know I have. I know.
It's not gonna stick together. You sure the instructions? You were right about the instructions?
Yes.
It don't look like I can do that. I can't do that.
Could you pick too much of the?
The first one.
Yes.
Well, what's it say? Pour out entire. And then it says take Elmer's confetti activator and make sure you shake well before pouring. Did you shake it?
No. It has good slime.
Slime.
It's not slime.
You just gotta mix it longer. It's a little watery. My hands. My hands.
You're the confetti now.
Show the camera.
Whoa.
Slime. Just the stick part, right? Not the runny part. Smell.
Do you give thumbs up or this or thumbs down?
Thumbs up. Always thumbs up. Hey, look. You just pull that in, I'll put this in. Slime. I'll put it in your hair.
Don't you dare.
Confetti slime. You like slime? Ah, slime. Slime.
Oh, not slime.
Disaster slime. That's what this is. Confetti disaster slime.
See you next week. It means it might make no more slime.
Disaster slime. Confetti slime. Confetti slime.
I did some.
Go to someone's wedding, puts on their head. Confetti slime.
Oh, you put that on the door and made somebody after you.
Ah.
And you're not
Confetti
keeping
slime.
the slime. It's
Everyone should have confetti slime.
no.
Ah, it's the blob. It's the blob.
You're the worst.
Alright, bye-bye.